Hey guys, I'm Anthony, one of the local reps here with Jackson Grills, and I'm excited to finally talk about our Supreme Series, which is our premium grill. In most cases, our Supreme Series is used for outdoor kitchens, but today we're highlighting our cart model. Now let's talk about what sets this grill apart. Fully collapsible side shelves, a full size and fully welded grease tray, not to mention deluxe soft closing doors. Our Supreme Series, just like all of our Jackson Grill products, is available in both propane and natural gas. Let's talk about our Rotisserie. This grill features a full-length, flush-mounted ceramic rotisserie burner that gets up to temperatures of 1,000 degrees. This rotisserie can easily handle a 12-pound roast. Our Supreme carts feature a stainless steel rotisserie rod holder. This grill will provide you with a restaurant quality cooking surface. You want to hit Grillmaster status? You're going to have to take a look at our optional searing station that's going to give you steakhouse quality searing at home. Our Supreme Series features a double-walled, fully seam-welded hood to increase the longevity of your grill. Where our competitors use cast iron, we've used stainless steel for easier cleaning, maintenance, and longevity of our product. We use the flamethrower ignition system, which is the most dependable ignition system on the market today. If you're gonna mount this into your outdoor kitchen, this is what you're gonna see. We design all of our products with 4 main principles in mind: performance, cleaning and maintenance, longevity, and design. With regular service and maintenance, this grill is going to last you a minimum of 15 years. If you have any questions regarding our Supreme Series or any outdoor kitchens, feel free to give our service department a call.